Right there. Now I'm going to do the July 2nd part of the replacement of a C file from the OpenBSD kernel with a Rust crate. We did yesterday, and the Rust crate is developed, and it has shown to work with its own integration tests. I haven't yet shown you the actual source code. I might do that soon. But first I want to start this integration. Now do the integration into a kernel build. You will test it on DC. I guess we have to set up some swap files. No, actually. Okay, this is the instruction. I wanted to integrate it into a kernel build. And then, of course, I want it to be run in a VMM guest. So let's send it. And then I will be silent for a little while. Okay, it's trying to figure out how to glue the Rust code into this. Well, I will put the laptop down on the floor for a while and take a break. See you in a while. Yeah, I'm just steering it towards generic apply.mp instead of .vmm, which it says above there, because VMM is the host kernel. The only difference is that it runs at 2000 hertz ticks instead of 100. What I am happy about is that it has actually remained on Fable 5. My earlier experiences with Fable has been that I'm hitting almost immediately the blockers, the guardrails, because I have been close to stuff that needs to be security reviewed. Of course, this should be security reviewed as well, but he hasn't actually like forced us into the cybersecurity domain, even if it is touching operating system kernel code. There is actually something that I don't like about Claude Code. We go into the dynamic workflow. So in the outcome there, it's still running activity. You can see the tool calls or a bit of them, which that's okay. But you don't get a chance to open up the thinking. You can open up the prompt, but not the thinking output. And that's a bit irritating, I think. I wonder what save is here. I won't try it now because well, it's a production run, so I would not want to risk it in any way. It is remarkable that it has needed 109 tool calls for just building the kernel.